Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel, Wake Up Bright. I know, this is becoming a trend. I like wearing my hair like it, just do. The trend's probably just getting started. Anyway, happy Wednesday. Welcome to my channel, Wake Up Bright, where I share all the things that help me live each day a little brighter. I'm excited for the video today. Today, I am walking a mile for time. I'm April Lauren and I'm on a journey to lose 200 pounds. This is my third 1 mile for time video. I did one when I first started at 2 months and now at 4 months. And this is a precursor to my video going live on Friday, which is my 4-month update. All right, so I know my lips are bright. I just barely put some chapstick on, like that tinted lip balm stuff. But we are going to walk a mile for time. All right. We are off. I might sound a little labored. I think I sound, I don't think I've talked as clearly as I'm talking right now. I always stop and talk. You can see my shadow. That's exciting. Like Peter Pan. Oh, no more shadow. This side is the money shot though. I don't know if this camera is doing it any justice. It is all magical. I'm all about that nature's magic, we'll call it. All right, I'm gonna focus on walking fast. See if we can beat this time. We are 2 minutes in, so let's go. Honestly, cannot believe how easy this walk was. I pushed harder than I did on the last walk. I feel like last time I think I was scared to push super hard because I was afraid I wouldn't be able to keep going. And I didn't take too many breaks, but I took a lot of breaks. This time I did not take any until the half mark, and literally I only took that break to stop and talk to you guys, and I didn't need it. It was like 10 seconds and I could have completely kept going. I'm so impressed with myself, with my progress, and I'm so happy that I do these little things that have nothing to do with the scale that help me measure out my progress. Things that help me love my body more, and things that help me begin to take steps to doing the things and living the life that I want to live now instead of waiting until the thin me arrives, you know? Man, it's like I'm walking straight into the sun. I'm a quarter of a mile and a 22-minute pace for now. I should always come down here for my walks. I shouldn't always do it, or I would always do it, but I would like to do it more often. Looks like there are still some flowers. I guess it gets into what do you really want to call a flower? I'm almost a half a mile. So far, I haven't stopped at all. Doing good. I'm doing good. That's what I'm telling myself anyway. I'm impressed that I'm not winded. Like, I'm talking pretty normal, which is good. My heart rate's up pretty high, but I don't think it's as high as it was last time. So I need to get that data and compare it for this video for sure. Anyway,
Gotta be half a mile. 0.49. 0.49. Okay, I'm at the half mile mark. And, well, I'm actually a little over. But I'm gonna take 2 seconds. It is so beautiful. I like showing you guys the way this little road looks. I'm on base. I feel very safe and secure. But aware, situationally aware for sure. And on base means, well, I guess it could not mean very much. Anyway, my break's over. It's not really a break, but I shouldn't have stopped. Now I'm feeling kind of guilty because I didn't need to stop and I still stopped and let myself take a minute, which, you know, last time I think I still needed to pause. So that right there is a huge improvement. Huge improvement. Cannot believe that I'm doing my 4-month update videos this week and next week. It's crazy. Now we can just follow my shadow. I have a fifth of the mile left. I'm at 0.81 and averaging 27 minutes. So as long as I keep going, I'll be at 27 minutes. Oh goodness.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming.
0.91. 25 minutes exactly. I don't really need these as much anymore. Not going this way. 0.93. 0.93. I'm almost to the bridge, but I mean, I guess it's kind of like a dam / bridge. Okay, 0.95. Yes. 0.97. So pretty, I am on the bridge. 0.99. One mile, 27 minutes and 5 seconds. There we go. I'm so excited. And I'm barely sweating. I think both of the other times I've done this, I've been crazy sweaty. It's progress. And I know like so many people have so many different opinions on what progress looks like. Even the last time I did this video, I had so many people be like, well, it shouldn't be about that. It should be about how long you can keep going. At this point, I can keep going. I could walk. I mean, and maybe that's what I need to do for my next, like maybe instead of timing 1 mile, I need to start timing 3 miles. I don't know. Or attempt 3 miles without stopping. Because I could definitely do 1. I could definitely do 1 mile without stopping now. It's just amazing the progress, I think. It makes me relieved and so happy that I'm able to do little things that I'm so passionate about now instead of waiting until I'm at my goal weight. Because the past me and so many people wait. Like, I don't want to wait until I'm 140, 135 pounds to go hiking. I don't want to wait until I'm even halfway there. I want to do that stuff now. I mean, modified, of course. Like maybe I can't hike Mount Timpanogos in Utah or high peaks in Colorado, but hiking, you know, the mini mountains here in Missouri. I mean, I don't even think they call them mountains, but you know, hiking around here, I should be able to do. I should be able to climb hills, and I think I can. So yeah, I'm just really proud of myself, and I want to encourage you to not put off the things that you want to do, and to be kind to yourself. If you just had a baby and you're insecure about your body, post-baby body is your first baby, and your body is destroyed in your mind, find things that you love about it. Find ways to love yourself and let yourself just live. It's not worth it. Putting yourself through so much judgment and hatred, those feelings do not change. You can have those same feelings and be underweight, be at weight, be overweight. Those intense feelings that so many of us have about our bodies. And while I wouldn't go so far as to say that it's a choice to feel those things, there are things that we can try to do to feel better. And I think the biggest thing to do is to find things that you want to do and do them. I think that's the fastest way over this hurdle, and that's the best way to stop your spiral, to stop propelling your weight gain fast, to stop the cycle of yo-yo dieting where you want to lose the weight but you want to lose it now, and so you do everything to lose it really fast, really efficiently, and it's gone, and the feelings aren't gone because it's not as awesome as you thought it was going to be to just magically be a different weight. You're still you, like. So you've got to do the things that help you live healthy and happy now until you get to what you and your medical professionals have determined is the healthiest weight that you can get to for you. So, okay, one more peek. This is the still side and the dam, and that's that beautiful reflection. I mean, is this the most beautiful water ever? No, but it's still pretty magical in my book. And then you have this side. Oh, it's so beautiful. The sun like has set this on like an amber and amber, I guess it kind of go hand in hand. But the trees. Fall is leaving us. Fall is, I mean, it's fall until mid-December, but all the pretty leaves are leaving us. Thankfully, we still have, like, you know, like that crisp air. I'm so happy, guys. I hope that, like, one thing that I always do, and it's because I'm super competitive. I'm a super competitive person, and I could compete with myself and make everything go faster, but I don't know if I would enjoy it. And I'm working on not expecting perfection and not being as aggressively competitive with myself about the way I live life. I really don't know how to put this into words. I think there's a time, there's a place, it serves good purposes, and if I can control it, then I think it could be a really healthy thing. All of my like competitive drive and my ability to focus and get there faster and to do, like, all of those things are great things as long as you control it and it can be sustainable. The thing about me is that I have it and I get in these, like, it can be years, and then all of a sudden, you know, start taking birth control, have crazy emotions, and I don't have anything. Like, I don't have anything together. So, figuring out how to do things and get progress slowly, less competitively. I think this is it. I don't think I know it is. Like, I have found my recipe. I know what I need to do. And I know it's contrary to maybe what a lot of people want to do. A lot of people think I should do, but that's okay. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get my car. I'm gonna go home.
And I'm just gonna enjoy the benefits of my walk and my workout and the life that I'm creating for myself. I've come so far. I was in so much pain that first time I walked. I couldn't even walk more than a couple minutes without stopping. And the second time I did this, I didn't have to stop nearly as much. It felt so much better, but I really couldn't push myself still. I was starting to feel a stride, but doing it for the 4th month, I was able to move. I was able to like swing my hips appropriately in my arms. It's amazing. I had no pain. I felt the urge to run. While I was walking, I actually wanted to run. I didn't, and I'm not ready for that, but I wanted to. It's awesome. Looking at these 3 side by side makes me so incredibly excited for my 4-month update video that'll be going live on Friday. I just can't believe, and it'll be a premiere too. So for the first bit of it, I will be on there watching it with you guys. My plan is to have it go live midday. So because I am working with someone on it, I don't want to give a specific time. But yeah, there's so much more definition in my face than the first 2 months. I'm wearing smaller clothes. I cannot believe I didn't have any pain in my body in this walk. Like it was exhilarating. It was freeing. I felt so happy doing my mile walk for time in this video. And yeah, I feel like I should have probably put braids on. I always hide a little bit behind my hair, and the braids are a way of doing that. So you really can't see me quite as clearly when I'm covered in hair. And that's, by design a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my 1 mile for time. I can't believe that I am 4 months into this weight loss journey. Again, I can't wait to show you guys how far I go in January. So that'll be the next time I do a 1 mile for time. If you enjoyed this, click that subscribe button, ding the bell, and give me a thumbs up if you want to continue to see this. Comment down below if you want to see me do a 3 miles for time video. And I look forward to seeing you guys on Friday for my 4-month weight loss journey update video. Bye.